Ahmed Shiha imports electronics from China. As soon as he learned that he could once again travel to the country, he began reviewing his business outlook for 2023 so as to finalize his plans for a possible trip to China.
Before the COVID-19 pandemic, I used to visit China 4 or 5 times a year. I represent several companies that all have strong relations with China. More than 90% of my work is with China. This is a partnership that has stretched for more than 40 years.
Omar Abdelaziz, too, is relieved about Beijing's decision to lift the COVID-related travel restrictions. He manufactures metal alloys. His factories rely heavily on Chinese machinery and industrial materials.
For a year, I've been wanting to travel to China to complete some machinery sets. Traveling personally is important so I can select the production lines and products which I will work with.
Despite the restrictions on travel to China, the Egyptian government statistics agency says the trade volume between the two countries during the first 9 months of 2022 grew by more than 9%. Shiha and Abdelaziz are confident that the growth rate will even be much higher this year now that they can once again travel to China.
We were on the verge of launching a giant alloy corporation in Egypt. We had our licenses and foreign investors who were ready to join us. We were just waiting to get our production lines from China. The resumption of travel is a great opportunity to finalize that crucial step.
There will be great returns for us here in Egypt. We're used to traveling to China many times to participate in fairs and expos to follow up all the new products available. China is very advanced. There are new products released there every month. We've been deprived of that during the past period.
Both businessmen told me that they are already planning their first trip to China in years. They're sorting out the logistics, ensuring that they would meet all new Chinese travel requirements and aim to be there in a couple of weeks. Adel El Mahrouky, CGTN, Cairo.